Hello everybody! We are over at Animal Kingdom today. We were fortunate enough to get a text message this morning from Josh to see if we wanted to go do some attractions. And since I like to ride rides and Everest is right in front of me, Ed, I gotta go. I have a fast pass.
All right, enjoy. I don't ride Everest. I would like to. The theming's supposed to be really cool. I haven't done it, so I'm just gonna walk around.
I think my hair shows how good that ride. In our adventure today, we just learned from Josh that you can actually park hop on your fast passes, and we just found a fast pass to one of Ed's favorite rides. So we're gonna go park hop now.
Since I do not ride Tower of Terror in any of the parks we've been to, or any iteration of Tower of Terror, I'm gonna go enjoy the weather. Jason's here, we finally got to try Cookie Num Num. It was really awesome. I'm so glad we got it. They serve it to you just warm too, so it's a little bit melty in the chocolate. Super worth it.
We had fun at Hollywood Studios today, after fun at Animal Kingdom this morning.
Yeah?
Unfortunately, Josh and I had to keep ditching Ed because he doesn't ride some of the scary rides.
It's alright. The thing is, you don't have to ride a lot of crazy rides to have fun. There's so much to take in, scenery-wise, sit down, relax, and just watch. You know, it's not just about crazy rides. Mm-hmm. I like just the atmosphere.
But all in all, I would say that was a good day for everybody. Us for rides.
And Cookie Num Num.
And Cookie Num Num. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and be sure to hit subscribe to make sure you get notified of our next and upcoming videos.
Oh, and share it with your friends.
Yeah, that's a big one too.